Hi, guys, and we are going to talk about our suffix this week. Remember, what is a suffix? It's an affix that is placed after a word to change what that word means. And so far, we've done less and we have done the suffix full. And today, you probably saw a little hint, we are going to do the suffix able, or lots of times we say able, depending on what word it's at the end. So what does able mean? Well, if we add it to the end of the word, as you can see, it means it can be done. It means it can be done. Doesn't mean that you will do it. So can't, like, for example, the example like when you add able to the end of like, you get, instead of, it means can be liked, or they say can be enjoyed, because like means enjoyed. Now, when you're defining these words, you want to show, as a reminder, that you understand the meaning of the suffix and the root word, and that you could put them together. So if, for example, I was explaining what down here, one of these other words, which is comfortable, I want to show people that I know what the able means. So when I write my definition, I'm going to use can be done basically. I'm going to use can be in my definition. So comfortable would be can be, I'm going to put comforting. Can be comforting. Okay? I don't have to put done on there. I just need to be can be comforting. No, I didn't say can be comfort, because that didn't sound right. So I added the ing to make it more sense. You are going to, as normal, I want you to try to think of, let's try 10 words with our suffix. So 10 able words. You have a great start here. If you look here, you already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So try to think of 4 more words that have able at the end of them. Now remember, you can't just, this word, I'm going to give you a non-example. For example, if I wrote this down, isn't right. Well, it does have able at the end of it, but is T a word in itself? No. This is not a prefix word. This is just a regular word. You have to, the word before your suffix, I said prefix and I meant suffix, excuse me. The word before your suffix has to be its own word. All right? So I can't use table because T is not a word. It's not changing the meaning of T. It's just making a word. Okay? So this is not an example. So keep that in mind when you are thinking of your words, okay? And then you're going to define two. You're not going to define likable, and you're not going to define comfortable, because those have both been defined for you. You're going to choose 2 other words from your list to define. And then you're going to take a picture and upload that to Class Dojo. All right, guys, have a wonderful Wednesday, and thanks for working hard.